guys, over here, back in another video. Today is an update vid. Yay! Anyways, this update vid is going to be about what I've been doing and, why I'm not going to be posting next week and, stuff that I've been doing this week. But technically what I did all yesterday was make a skit and with my friend. It is called The Lost Ghost on KC1000 channel. Go check that out. I will put it in the link down, or put it in the description. But today this update vid is going to be about, like, I'm going to West Virginia next week. Yay! But I'm not going to be posting any vids, but I'll be on Animal Jam and watching YouTube streams. Might even come to your live stream, you know? But, that's probably it. I feel like I'm forgetting something to say, but just can't get it. I don't think I'm missing anything. Or am I? Well, you guys know that I've gotten hacked and you guys can donate to me. But I think I'm forgetting something. I don't think I am. That's what I'm forgetting. Anyways, I'm coming up with a new Pokemon series called Eevee and Friends. Not the Evolutionaris thing, but like Eevee and Espeon show. That's what it was called. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Bye, my little TVs, and peace out. Okay, before I go, I actually want to show you that I did get hacked. So these are all my items I have left. So yeah, I actually did get hacked. Bye, my little TVs, and peace out.